What's up guys, and it's time for some major Sammy news. Samsung is about to unleash more Galaxy Note phones this year than they did in the last 4 years. We got a brand new report from South Korea that says Samsung will release 4 Galaxy Note 10 models this year. So before we get into that crazy Sammy news, let me remind you that Samsung will be officially announcing its rotating pop-up selfie slider camera design phone. It's gonna have a full front bezel-less display, the Samsung Galaxy A90. There could be a separate Galaxy A80 model as well. We talked about its leak specification via Weibo, and I gotta say it's quite a beast. There will be an unannounced Qualcomm Snapdragon 755 chip along with 25 watts of fast charging, which is something that you don't even see on normal S10 models. Only the 5G model has that. And then there is a 3700 mAh battery. Pretty much it's a packed phone. Just today we got the benchmark result here, and that actually showed the model number Galaxy A80, which scores pretty decent, actually more than the Galaxy S8 Plus Qualcomm Snapdragon 835 chip, but not quite Snapdragon 845 level. So it is rocking the Snapdragon 675 chip, which is actually a very capable mid-range processor. But according to the leaks, we will be seeing Snapdragon 755 chip in the A90 model. So there is a huge possibility that there will be A80 and A90 model, and the difference will most likely be with the internal chipset. The Galaxy A90 will surely be coming to the US market as well, so maybe it will indeed rock that unannounced Snapdragon 755 chip. Again, all will be revealed officially by Samsung, so I'll be making a full video about what unfolds tomorrow. Now back to the Galaxy Note 10 leak from South Korea. It says that this year we're gonna have 4 Galaxy Note 10 models. So first up is the 6.75-inch Galaxy Note 10 4G. Then comes the 6.28-inch Galaxy Note 10e 4G. And again the 6.75-inch version, but this time it's going to be the 5G version. And same goes for the Note 10e with 5G. So basically 2 4G models and then 2 different 5G models of these 2 devices will be launched later down the year. So both 4G and 5G versions will be launched respectively. Samsung had a great success with the 4 Galaxy S10 models they released, the S10e, S10, S10 Plus, S10 5G. So they want to do the same with the Note lineup as well. So the Galaxy Note 10e with the rumored 6.28-inch screen size could actually have a flat display just like the S10e. The last time we saw a flat screen Galaxy Note phone was actually in 2015 when Samsung launched the Galaxy Note 5. So it's a huge return of the flat screen for the Note lineup. This year, 5G is on the rise. It's gonna change the smartphone world forever. Samsung is already gearing up to launch 3 5G phones this year in total, whereas Apple has no plans until next year. So if any of you in US or South Korea wants the best internet speed on their phone, then 5G powered Galaxies are here. Yes, the 5G Galaxy S10 model is already unboxed. We have as you can see in these photos, we have the box that looks different compared to the normal S10 model. It's a silvery box with the S10 5G text. This phone is the largest by Samsung ever. It's coming at 6.7 inches. And of course, it's going to be a dynamic AMOLED display. It's going to look absolutely unreal. It has those dual pill-shaped holes up front that are actually bigger than the S10 Plus holes, probably because of the display size. As it increased, the holes got bigger as well. Now towards the back, we have 4 cameras. The additional TOF camera sensor can be seen on the back. It's gonna improve the live focus quality as well. And in addition to that, the S10 5G will be able to shoot live focus videos. It's also the largest Galaxy battery flagship ever. We have a 4500 mAh cell inside of this bad boy. Not only that, it comes with a 25 watts of fast charging. As you can see inside the box, we're gonna see a different charger on this phone. It will be interesting to see if this charger can provide any improvement on the normal Galaxy S10 models, because according to Ice Universe, the normal S10 models also possess this capability. It's just Samsung has not unlocked it. So it's gonna be interesting to see if that is possible, but this model will have 25 watts of fast charging and of course 5G monster speed. So overall, it is a pretty insane steroid Galaxy S10 edition. Anyone who wants the best of Samsung, this is the phone to go for. Again, for US and South Korean market only. And lastly, the Galaxy J series is now dead. There is a reason why Samsung made so many A series phones this year, because they are simplifying their lineup. We already have the Galaxy M lineup that we have seen in the start of year, and then we have the A lineup. So M is very much like the J series, so there's no need for the J phones to come out, so Samsung is putting them to the rest. So that's all the latest news we have. Tomorrow is a big announcement day for the Galaxy A lineup. We're gonna see the most spec'd out version of that phone with the rotating, sliding pop-up camera up front. So I'm excited for that. Stay tuned for all the coverage. And in case you don't know, I am giving away 2 Galaxy Buds. If you want to enter, make sure to subscribe to the channel, follow me on my Instagram and Twitter, and lastly, leave a comment on my giveaway announcement video. Link is down below in the description. With that being said, I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. Give this video a thumbs up, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.